How to do sidebar with cropped video like Ali Abdaal in DaVinci Resolve. Move the playhead to the start of your video, select it, and open up Inspector panel. Click on diamond buttons next to position, cropping left and right to add starting keyframes. Move playhead 15 frames forward and increase crop left and right to crop your video. Keep in mind that the sum of crop left and right should be half of the width of your video. Here my video is 1920 by 1080, so half of 1920 is 960, and sum of crop left and right should be equal to 960. Change position X value until your video is positioned to the right side of the viewer. Move playhead to the position you want to uncrop your video, and click on diamond buttons to add keyframes with current values. Move playhead 15 frames forward, double-click on the values to set them to their initial value, and add 3 more keyframes. Now we have this cropping animation, and it's time to add the sidebar. Go to Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag a solid color above your video in timeline. Click on this button to see the keyframes. If you can't see them, hold down the Alt key and scroll to zoom into timeline. Select the solid color, and in the Generators tab choose a color for it. Make sure the playhead is at the start, and in the Settings tab click on diamond button next to position and set position X to -1920. Move playhead to the next keyframe, and set position to -960. Move playhead to the next keyframe and click on diamond button. Move it to the last keyframe and set it to -1920. To smoothen the animation, click on these 2 buttons, then select the keyframes and click on these 2 buttons to add curve to them. Do the same thing for the bottom layer as well. From drop-down choose each property with keyframes and smoothen its animation.